All right, so same circuit as last video, except we have a little cardboard piece with a resistor shoved in it so it can be stuck in the breadboard. And the second photoresistor is wired into a 1. So I guess we'll just skim through the code super quick so you understand what's happening when it goes to work. All these are the same. We have photoresistor 2 values. We also have photoresistor average. We'll use that later. We've got our timer running. That's just for the 10 seconds. And then we have a threshold, which will make sense in a little bit. It's going to do the same thing. It's just now there's, instead of the toggle being 0, 1, a Boolean, it goes 0, 1, 3, or 0, 1, 2, sorry. And so if it's set to 0, it just doesn't do anything. If it's on, it's going to run the same code as last time, except instead of just looking for the maximum photoresistor value, we're going to find the maximum average between the two. So that's when they're both looking at the brightest light. That's going to be the best results. And then it does the same thing as last time, except instead of setting the toggle back to 0, it sets it to 2. And so the toggle for 2, what that's going to do, we're going to do the timer, you know, if it's less than the length of time that we need, which is 10 milliseconds or 10 seconds. And then if the difference between the two photoresistors is greater than the threshold, which was 5, then it's going to go clockwise, right? Because that means this one is looking at more light than this one, so we need to turn towards this one. And then same thing here. If the difference is less than negative threshold, we're going to add 1. We're going to write it, and then after the elapsed time of L time, we're going to go ahead and just home it and set the toggle back to 0, and that'll reset everything. So we can see it in action here. This light is very bright, so it likes to go over the cardboard and around it, but the general idea still works. Super. Then as you can see, it homed after 10 seconds. We'll do it one more time just for the fun of it. Except this time we won't give it a max. Oh.